Hello there! Welcome to day one of the Fearlessly Create a Life You Love email course. I'm Taryn, and I'll be working with you to help you jumpstart the life you've always dreamed of. I'm so glad you're here because we are going to accomplish so much in these next 5 days. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So you should have your guide ready to go with a pen and pencil, and then flip to page 2. For this step, I want you to ask yourself and out loud, am I genuinely happy in life? Remember that no one is going to see these answers, so be 100% honest with yourself. I really struggled with this question myself a few years ago because I knew that although no, I was not happy in life, that meant that I had to take action to become happy. And that was a really big step. After you ask yourself this question, you can even take it a step further and then ask the why. Why am I not as happy as I could be? Maybe you're burnt out from work, or possibly you don't have the time to really do the things that you love. Or are you struggling with an internal conflict that needs to be resolved? So find your why. Take a few minutes with this exercise and write down your most honest answer. And then I'll see you in the next lesson.